We've just released the most puzzling puzzle yet. The Puzzle. This is 4 of a 5-part series that began with the key, a 4-step solved 3D printed mechanical puzzle box. Then, the launch, a 6-step puzzle box that launched a rocket in the middle of the solve. Next, the heist, an 8-step mechanical vault. And now, the puzzle. This clever gadget will keep your gears turning while performing over 10 sequential steps to finish this 21-piece puzzle. Download free on Thingiverse and start printing this easy-to-print design today. The pieces download in the best printing orientation, and no supports or brims are needed. Assembly is easy, and you only need 1 needle-nose pliers. No glue, screws, or bubblegum required to hold together this puzzle box. See our full assembly video for details, tips, and tricks for printing and assembling this puzzle box. As the final subcomponent in the series of puzzle boxes, the puzzle will not disappoint. The workhorses of this beast are 2 1- and 2-way wheels. One wheel turns one way and one wheel turns 2 ways. The finish line is the starting line, and you only ever get 1 clue at a time. To start, slide the inner wheel left and let the challenge begin. Once you can find and align all 3 arrows, piece 8 at the bottom will go flush in the back, and your puzzle is solved. Don't let the looks deceive you. This puzzle box will separate the boys from the men and the men from the real nerds. This puzzle box is free to download, easy to print, and if you start now, you could be puzzling in no time. This is part 4 of a 5-part series where all the puzzle boxes come together to make one big puzzle box. For more information on that, check out my other videos. Thanks in advance for all the feedback to help me continue improving this puzzle box's design. If you're enjoying these puzzle boxes and you want to support this channel, give me a like over on Thingiverse to drive as many people to this design and this channel as possible. Start your prints, and we'll see you in the next video.